Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. Alaska Standard Time this evening to 9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Blizzard conditions will develop tonight as strong winds and snow develop. Visibility will be reduced to near zero by snow and blowing snow. Southwest winds will increase to 50 miles per hour tonight and continue through Wednesday night. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Blowing snow with strong winds and extremely poor visibilities will cause whiteout conditions and make any travel or outdoor activity hazardous.